Hi expert, this is Pradeep from finalfixer.com. Those who have no idea, let's say this is your blog site where we are posting regular basic our collections of bias, schematic, board view and bias setting related tools. Let's be a part of our site by visiting our website. Today's topic, Dell E6440 bias editing. After this video, we will learn how to extract the Dell exe file to win file and at the same time how to clean the BIOS region and ME region. Let's check out the problem. Dell E6440 BIOS file. Just delete this one. Here you can see one is the main, which is 4 MB and EC is 4 MB and main is 8 MB. Let's start the process. To complete the process, first we need the exe file from official website. We can Google and search Dell E6440 driver download. You can see the first one is the Dell website. Let's click it over here. Here you can see our laptop model Latitude E6440. If you are others, simply click the change product. Other processes will remain same. In the on, click on BIOS, download. Next here, this is the latest one. Let's open downloads, showing folder. This one let's cut from here, minimize, paste into here. The next step is extract exe file to win file. To complete that, we need a tool which is Dell Bios Extractor. Don't worry, I will give it in the description. Let's copy from here, go back, paste into here, drag the exe file and drop into extractor. Here you can say it's extracted completely. Extractor file has been created here. Open this one, where here you can say many files has been generated. We need from here only system BIOS and ME BIOS, because we are going to clean BIOS region and ME region in the BIOS. Okay, let's copy from here, paste. Now we can delete unwanted file. Let's click here this one, tools and exe file. Let's delete, rename it to BIOS region. Let's make change into ME region. Okay, the last step is replacing in this here BIOS region and ME region. To complete that process, we need to merge EC and main into one file. First, open the main BIOS. To complete the process, we are using Hex editor workshop. Here you can see, I will give this tools in the description also. Let's open main BIOS. Right click, open here. Let's open EC1. Do tile vertically. Here is EC1 and this is the main one. Let's select EC all data, copy. Let's come to lower position of end of the main file and let's paste into here. Yes, let's save as. You can give your name in your choice. I am giving it to be a backup bin is the extension. Okay, let's close. Here you can see our 12 MB file is ready. 4 MB plus 8 MB is 12 MB. Here is the merge file has been ready. Let's open other tools, which is Intel ME 9.1. Why we choose 9.1? You can see main BIOS. Let's drag and drop into ME analyzer. Let's see. Here you can see 9.0 and 9.1 is compatible with this one. We don't have 9.0, that's why we are using 9.1. And let's see if you are compatible to yes. There is no problem by using this one. Okay. Let's minimize to this one. Open license tool, FITC. Then open the file. Let's make our file. Here you can see I have 12 MB backup bios one. Open. Let's make some changes at here. Untick. I will give new bios shape. Okay. Here you can see the file has been decomposed. Here you can see BIOS region, descriptor, GP region, memory region, OEM region. In this file, let's replace the BIOS region and memory region into here. Open our file. Here we have created the BIOS. Let's copy from here and paste into here. Here you can see BIOS region and memory region has been replaced at here. Let's make the BIOS. Go to build and build image. Here is the error. OEM public key cannot be empty, all 0 or 1 while postcard ASM enable is true. The select profile. Okay. This is the memory region error. Let's memory region configuration boot guard. Select boot guard profile configuration on to 0, whichever is of 0. Okay. Let's build image. Okay. Let's yes. Close file. No. Come back to our main folder. This is our main folder. Open BIOS one. Here you can see our BIOS file has been ready. This is the backup file. Delete one. Delete. You can see our new BIOS. This is the 8 MB. It means the main BIOS. Let's make it new main. Let's make change into new EC. EC old BIOS, EC new BIOS. Old main BIOS, new main BIOS. Let's open the ME analyzer and compare both value. If any error, we will manage. Okay, new main, open. Oh yeah, it's open. Here you can compare the file version. It's an old one. Minor version is 9.0.21.1460. Here you can the latest version 9.1.453,000. Why the difference? If the OEM has published the latest ME file and BIOS file, we can update our minor version and major version. Here you can see latest. After this, our process has been completed. I will upload this BIOS file into the description also. You can use this BIOS for your laptops. No error because it's fully clean BIOS and memory region. Let's thank you. Let's meet in the another video with new problem and new solution. Till that, thank you.